Once you've previewed your course and everything is looking fine, everything is working fine, you may now want to have other people review it as well. I'm going to go ahead and close out the authoring side of things. Now anyone who's a reviewer, which you have unlimited reviewers inside of mLearning Studio, has now access to actually review your course. Now they do that by simply logging in and then selecting on this Test the Course icon. What will happen is it will launch the course just like we saw with Unison when we were inside of Preview the Course section. And so you can see they can access the flash side, the phone side of things as well. And they can test the course exactly how the user is going to test it. So they can navigate through the course, swiping through the different pages, accessing the different quizzes and images and videos. And if they come across something that needs to be changed, they have an add an issue button down at the bottom. What happens is it then scrolls in an area for them to go ahead and add an issue. So let's say this is the wrong image. They can either leave it not assigned so a project manager can go in and assign it later, or they can assign it to someone specific. They can also leave it, give it a priority, or which you can come up with your own priorities, or they can also give it a category, which you can also come up with your own categories. And then all they have to do is click on Add Issue. From there, they don't have to do anything else. They can go ahead and close that out and then go on to the other pages. So no having to keep track of it somewhere else inside of a different Excel file or Google Doc or anything like that. It keeps track of it right within the same course, and all the reviewer has to do is basically leave comments and suggestions. So let's say they check this out inside of the 10-inch tablet mode and say the 10-inch tablet is not showing something correctly, so they can click on Add an Issue. And they can either leave it not assigned, and same thing how we did with the other comment, or they can just click on Add Issue and then hit Close, as well as the flash side of things. So let's say they check the flash side, click on Add an Issue, and they can go through and test on their own device as well. Now once the reviewer has made all their notes, all they have to do is close the reviewer section area. And so once they've closed that, now the developer can come in and then click on Manage Issues, and they can see all of the different issues that have been added. So right here it says wrong title. Well, it lets me know what page they were on when they left that note. Lets me know what file it was using, what status it is, what category, priority, who opened it, who it was assigned to, what date it was created, what operating system they were using, what browser, and then also what platform. In this case, they left a note on the flash side of things. Well, I can click on this page, go ahead and make the change, and then add a quick update just by saying, okay, change has been made, assign it back to whoever assigned it to me, change the status from open to verify, and then click Save Update. And we'll keep a threaded discussion as the user and the developer, or the reviewer and the developer, go back and make sure everything is taken care of. It will also show on the mobile side of things what platform they were on. So in this case, they were on the phone platform when they left this comment. So I can go ahead and make a change to the mobile side of things. Or it will also tell me the 10-inch tablet. So it lets me know exactly what type of, without the user, the reviewer having to make a note of this, it lets me know what preview they were in when they made that comment. Now I can also download an Excel file if needed with these different issues if I needed to send it to someone that's not inside of mLearning Studio. Within each issue, you always have the ability to click on this edit icon, which allows you to notify the person by email, give this issue a due date, and attach a file to this issue as well. So that is how you review an mLearning Studio course, and then make sure that everything is taken care of about this course and the issues are resolved about the course before the last step is taken place, which is to deploy the course, to get the course to your own learning management system, which is what we'll be going over in the next tutorial.